Happy Friday everyone, it's Patty and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with you with something that I am super excited about, and it's the unboxing of the September subscription box from Simply Gilded. And as you can tell, the theme is Rockstars, and I instantly fell in love with the color scheme, with the holographic, with the theme itself, and so I really could not wait to receive it and share it with you. Now before I take everything out and show you, for those who don't know, Simply Gilded is a store owned by Irene, and she designs her own washi tapes and accessories, and they're all gorgeous. And she also offers again this monthly subscription box, which is $25 per month plus shipping. So if you're interested in signing up after seeing this video, I will leave the information below with the link and some other information, but make sure to sign up for a wait list if you wanna subscribe, because spots sell out fast every month. Now another note before I take everything out, this sub box came with a very special exclusive item. It was a bonus item, and because a lot of people may not want to see it or they want a surprise, I will leave I will leave that for last. So no worries, I'm not gonna ruin a surprise for you. I will just leave it at the very end of the video. So if you are subscribed and, for example, you're international and you just don't want to see the bonus item, I will just I'll give you the chance to skip it basically. But let me take everything out and out of the packaging, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I've taken everything out of this gorgeous box, but before we move into the inside, I just wanted to say that these boxes are just beautifully made, and I actually keep the boxes. I flatten them out, and some people I know use them to create a traveler notebook or notebooks, or you can actually cut things out, use them in your planner, etc. So they're just really beautiful. So Irene, pays so much attention to details. Here's little juniper, that the packaging is just as beautiful as what is inside. So let's start by the first thing that I wanted to show you, which is actually a little list, which is so clever. So each box comes with a little journaling card, and it tells you exactly what's going to be included. Now mind you, here I've added some of my washi tape to make sure that I did not give away the bonus item if you are subscribed and you want to keep it a surprise. So as you can tell, it comes with a lot. So let's start with the first thing on the list, and it's the foiled journaling card. So foiled journaling card, and these I absolutely love. I actually have used these journaling cards in my traveling notebooks, and I've used them as dashboards, but I also collect them, and I actually have a video, and it's upside down, and I have a video on how I store mine. But this one is beautiful. It's made of nice, really thick cardstock with a beautiful sheen to it, and it says "Dare to be dazzling" here in there we go, maybe you can see it like this, in this holographic print. And I love this. As you can tell, there's already a hint of the theme, of the Rockstar theme, and this is gorgeous. The colors are everything. Then next up, we have 5 washi tapes, and these are just amazing. So here are the 5 washi tapes that are included this month. Now this is kind of like a galaxy theme, and Irene has come out with this kind of like setup, but in different colors. So this is a take on those, on that theme, and I have it already. Let me see, actually I should have probably grabbed that right before I try to show you, but let me give you an example of what the previous incarnation, sorry about that guys, here we go. So this was a previous incarnation of the set. So as you can see, there's an evolution and there's a change. So everything, actually I'm missing the one with the bows, but it's somewhere. I'll try to get it and to show you later. But again, the colors are just gorgeous. You have all this purple, this blues, this holographic, and let's take a look at each individual one to give you a better idea. So this is the first one, and this is the moon washi. And it has kind of like a 11 periwinkle, I would say, color in the bottom, and it goes into like a light, very light pink, and the moons are beautiful and holographic, and it's just stunning. And then we have, I do believe this one is called Celestial, And I love the blue. It looks like the sky, you know, at night when there is the sky with, but there are clouds. So they're the stars, but they're clouds. And I just love this one because it's, you know, I am not a huge fan of dark blue, but this blue is a blue that I can totally work with. Then we have, and these both are, by the way, 15 millimeters, so they're the regular size washi tape. This one instead is a smaller size, and it's a 10 millimeter, and it's a word washi. And let me try to open it up, and the words are holographic. Here we go, print. Let's see if I can read it for you. It says magical girl, stardust, reach for the star, star power, rock on. I just love it. And the, you know, the messages, you know, Irene is always all for the positive and uplifting, so I really appreciate that. I just love it. And if you know Irene, you know she's absolutely wonderful person. So this next washi is probably my favorite because I love bows and I collect them. I started collecting her washi tapes since she opened, and I think this is just gorgeous. This has the bows with a gradient from like a periwinkle to a pink. Just love it. Put it right here so you can tell a better idea. I have a better idea. And then this one is super cute. This is the Twilight, and if you can tell, I probably should have removed those washi tapes, but I'll show them to you again close up one by one, but once I remove them all. Sorry guys, probably it's not gonna, here we go, this is better. But it has this gradient pink to periwinkle, and it has little stars and little hearts, and I just love it. So this again is all the 5 washi tapes which you get, and you know, this already just by itself you probably have the value, you know, like these, usually her washi tapes are $4 for the 10 millimeter, 15 millimeter, so you already have like $12 right here, and then another you know, $3.50 for this. So you know, it's, what I'm saying is that it's a great value. She includes so much, and let me give you a better look again. So this is the beautiful moons, then we have the beautiful Twilight. And I'm thinking this is inspiring me to do some sort of like galaxy themed, you know, setup. Here is the bows, and then we have the celestial, and these came again in different colors, in different, you know, versions before, twice before. And this is the word washi. So love, love, love them. I mean, I may just hoard them a little bit, but I've tried to use them. So next up we have the foiled pocket TN insert, and she includes these in every month. And again, there's some basic, not basic, but there's some of the items that will return every month in the sub box, but then the rest, the assortment changes, so there's always something different. But this one comes every month, and it's a TN insert, and it's a pocket size, and it's got blank you know, pages, but it's a nice and heavy, you know, thick pages. And this is the back. It's you know, it has those beautiful foiling on it, and it's super cute. If you do not use this style of a travel notebook, you can just put it in your purse and you know, use it to jot down notes, little shopping lists, etc. Next up is the glitter crystal magnet. And how gorgeous is this? I mean, first of all, it comes inside a little, you know, pouch. I removed all the pouches, but look how stunning this is. The colors are beautiful. It has all this glitter inside, but it's nice and shiny and smooth, super smooth, beautifully finished front. Ooh, I can see myself. Beautiful finished, you know, on both sides. I just love this. I can't wait. This is gonna go on my Roscoe cart because this belongs with my rest of my collection from Irene's magnet. And next up is the little pouch. This is the glitter crystal pouch, and it's a, you know, it's super cute. First of all, pouches are super useful, and everything came, well, most of the smaller items came in here, but as you can tell, it's kind of a shaker, and it has little stars that move about. So I just love this. I love, she includes a pouch, I think every time, but this is a different from the ones that usually they're like fabric, and I just love this one. I just love it because first of all, you can put a little makeup in here too. You can put it in your purse. You know, it's not gonna get dirty, etc. Then we have the exclusive item on the list, which we're gonna skip. skip. But the next item on the list instead is the crystal sticker seals. And how stunning. So seals are something that she added to her shop, I think, you know, like maybe 6 months ago, something like that. And she offers them in juniper bunny, in bows, etc., in all different colors, but these are just limited for the sub box, and they are just beautiful. People, you can use this as stickers, clearly. You can use them to seal gifts, or you can turn them into little paper clips as well. You can just, you know, back them to some paper and then turn into cute little paper clips. I think I'm going to do that because they are just too beautiful. And next we have the Lux Sticker Sheets. And so every month it comes with 2 sticker sheets. So first of all, these are not thin. I don't know if you can hear that, but this is printed on very heavy and substantial sticker paper. And you get 2. So if you are like more of you know, you can totally do a setup or like a page layout with this, because it comes with 3 full boxes. It comes with some flags, it comes with headers, and it comes with all this deco. And how adorable is cute little juniper bunny in space. I mean, she is too cute. And all these beautiful crystals, bows on crystals, please give me more. And then the second page is more functional stickers, and then we have some trackers, we have, you know, little headers for you know, appointments, groceries, and then more flags. So there is a lot. I mean, if you, again, I hope you're adding up, because this is a lot that you get in the sub box. And then the last thing before I reveal the you know, mystery item is the foil sticker sticky notes. And how stunning are these? These are just a masterpiece, honestly. I mean, there is no way that I'm gonna write something on these. I use my sticky notes that are super pretty. I put them in my planner, in my traveler notebook, and they also add a little bit of decoration to it. I mean, these are just too beautiful. The foiling on the side is so nice and you know, thick. It's just like a beautiful border of you know, of foiling. And I don't know if I'll ever bring myself to use them, but they are just stunning. The color is just perfect. Everything is perfect. So now it's time, guys, for me to reveal the bonus item. So if you are subscribed and you have not received it and you don't want to see it, please skip ahead. This is the last warning. And because here it comes. It's a pen gem, guys. Oh my God. So pen gems is, first of all, beautiful. If you don't know it, they make the most beautiful pens that have gems, Swarovski, beautiful Swarovski crystals inside. And they do collaborations, and they do limited edition ones. I have collected them, you know, for years. But so this one is exclusive for the September sub box. So this will not be included, you know, will not be sold in the store. But let me take it out because it matches so beautifully to the theme. So the color is just very, very soft, pastel-y, periwinkly pink, I would say. And then on the top here, there is this iridescent crystal, and inside the crystals, the Swarovski crystals, have like some pinks, some you know, some blues, some purples, and it just also some yellow. So, you know, really, if you think of what like a beautiful pastel galaxy will look like, this is it. And I hope it can focus. I'm sorry if it doesn't. But yeah, this was, you know, stunning. This is just stunning and very special. And I hope you got yours, and so you didn't miss out on this gorgeous pen. But let me then show you everything again that was included in the box. So we had a little pouch just to show you guys, because you know, it's easy to forget everything that was included. I think I unraveled all my washi tape, so I'm gonna have to like bring it back in. But again, these go on sale during the enrollment program, and so you want to make sure that you are signed up for the wait list so that you don't miss out. And of course, I knew it was not going to fit. And let me get my magnet, which I'm so excited, and everything is falling apart. So apologies for the completely unraveled. Beautiful. It's still beautiful, even if it's unraveled. But anyway, Here they are. Not very prepared. Sorry about that, guys. I'll just put them right here. And so this is all that is included, guys. And I hope that you loved this unboxing. And let me know if you have any questions. But I'll put all the links below if you're interested in signing up. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.